beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you love that lit from within glow that catches every ray of light, you'll want to stick around for this one. We're looking at the KIKO Milano Glow Fusion Intense Powder Highlighter in 01 Champagne, a shimmery, buildable gel powder designed to give your skin that radiant, reflective finish. Right off the bat, KIKO Milano has crafted a product that blends the intensity of a high-impact highlighter with the ease of a gel powder formula. The 01 Champagne shade is a soft, luminous hue, perfect for a natural glow that can be layered for a more dramatic effect. The texture is smooth and finely milled, so it applies evenly without looking patchy, and it's designed to catch light beautifully, whether you're hitting cheekbones, brow bones, or even collarbones for a subtle highlight. I've been testing this highlighter over the past couple of weeks, incorporating it into both my morning and evening routines. I found it blends effortlessly with both cream and powder foundations, which makes it really versatile. A little goes a long way, so you can build the intensity without worrying about it looking glittery or overdone. It wears comfortably throughout the day, maintaining a soft sheen without fading into patchiness, which is always a concern with shimmery powders. What I love about this highlighter is its versatility. It's perfect for both everyday natural looks and more glamorous evening makeup. On the downside, because it's a gel powder, it may require a slightly damp brush or a fingertip for maximum intensity if you're aiming for a bold glow. Also, the packaging is sleek but minimalistic, no mirror included, so you'll want to keep that in mind if you're looking for something travel-friendly. In terms of value, KIKO Milano tends to sit in that mid-range price point. Considering the quality of the pigment, the smooth texture, and the lasting shine, I'd say it's worth the investment if you're serious about a high-quality, buildable highlighter. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are certainly powder highlighters with similar shades, but they often lack that seamless gel powder fusion that makes application so effortless. Comparing it to other high-end options, KIKO holds its own nicely. It doesn't clump, and it gives a luminous finish that rivals pricier brands, making it a solid choice for anyone wanting that radiant glow without splurging excessively. The build quality is straightforward but sturdy. The compact feels solid in hand, and the gel powder formula maintains its integrity over time, showing no signs of drying out or losing its shimmer. No customer service interactions here, but KIKO generally has a good reputation for handling inquiries. If you're someone who loves highlighting, whether subtly or with full-on glow, this one is a winner. The champagne shade is universally flattering, and the formula really delivers that lit from within effect without overdoing it. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've tried the KIKO Milano Glow Fusion Intense Powder Highlighter, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Did it give you that perfect shimmer you were hoping for? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.